It's a pleasure to be here again at Nampo and see the nice development of the agriculture business, and not least together with our partners here at Jupidex. When I came here the first time in 1994, we had some contacts and we started with these importers. Later on, Kverneland grew to more companies and they had different importers in South Africa. And then we decided to go with our own company. Kverneland South Africa was established in 1999 here as in Pietermaritzburg. There were two key persons from our former importer that joined that setup. So they were our main contacts and building up the company's Kverneland South Africa from the beginning. These guys also continue for many years in the company.
Since 2010, when we purchased the company, it became part of our family businesses. All the people that we interact with, all the people that we sell our products to are ultimately farmers, and that's a family business. So we make sure that we interact with them on a professional level, but also on a family level, and we all have the same interests, the same values. We do have massive farmers that we look after, and we look after them through massive co-ops. We still ultimately have to look after them and make sure that their family businesses are sustainable and that we're also sustainable. That's what sets us apart from other international companies, because we are South African and we are family-owned business.
Brand identity, I see it as kind of this golden thread throughout the whole company. So since the inception of Jupidex, aka Kverneland, we had to make sure that we have quality reliability throughout the company. So whether it be with technical support, customer support, we need to make sure that we are relevant within the industry and engage, whether it be with partnerships or with the end user.
Over the past 25 years, Jupidex have implemented several key operational strategies that have fueled our growth. We are focused on continuous innovation in product development to ensure our offerings meet the evolving needs of our customers, and we've additionally invested in state-of-the-art technology and processes to enhance our efficiency, specifically in product quality, ensuring we meet the demand of our customers and also our dealers in the field. Expanding our distribution network and forming strategic partnerships have also played crucial roles in reaching new markets and increasing our market share. Finally, our employees have been central to our success and critical to our success. We have realized that the fastest way to get our customers to love our products and our brands is to get our employees to love their jobs. And therefore, we have created a supportive structure and inclusive working environment that fosters innovation and employee engagement.
It's very nice to see now, when coming back here after 25 years, to see that what they did from the beginning has been continued and followed up by other people, and to continue this having the same dedication for the implement business. I thought I went to Africa, to a low developed country, and I came to a country which was more developed than Europe in many ways. So I was so impressed in the beginning when I came here, and that also goes for the agriculture. I joined a conference of our importer, and in 1997 on that conference they were speaking about precision farming, which is the hot topic today. The word precision farming I heard first time in South Africa, and I had to ask, what is precision farming?
One of the most significant achievements from Jupidex side is to transform the industry perception for Jupidex being a solely supplier of ripper and ground engaging equipment to being recognized as a provider of highly advanced products, especially when you look at our precision farming technology that we offer in the chemical and fertilizer application segments.
So as farmers have industrialized and become bigger and bigger, they also want precision farming. They want to make sure that everything that they're doing is sustainable and that they're focusing on saving costs.
So if you take where Jupidex was 10 years ago, known as a ripper company with the CLG and the CLCs, and where we are today, if you can look behind me on the stand here, there's technology around every corner. Precision is our business, technology is our business, and the team is really agile, they adapt quick. We're on the fast track with technology to make sure that we stick to what we know, and we make sure that we offer the clients solutions, and the team is really good at that.
We make sure that our products that we sell are also bus linked and or WATIC linked. So the technology is very important for us because it's very important for the farmer. So we've ensured that we are able to source the best technology, and we then allow that technology to be part of the products that we sell. That's why we remain relevant, because we are constantly sourcing high spec, high technology products, and we ensure that precision farming is where we're aiming for. Because if you think of a farmer, he wants to save costs. The technology that we've headed for and that we produce and sell is actually aimed at saving the farmer costs.
Agriculture, the South African farmer has, in my opinion, been advanced and taken use of new technology. What we could add from our side is more the production, the development technology of producing implements. because that is something where I see we can contribute to a more efficient and cost-efficient agriculture in South Africa with the way we produce our implement.
I think first of all, it's very important to listen to the farmers and what their requirements are. We have a great product range, but we first of all listen, and from there on we find the solutions that the farmers need. We have a great management team and we have great segment leads in the various areas of the company, and we ensure that we are agile and innovative to give the farmers the precision and precise and efficient equipment that they require in the market.
So looking at our vision, our mission, and if you go look at our values, one of our strong values that we really concentrate on is value-centric and customer-driven. So that's why we partner up with the dealers that we have. We've got large-scale dealers to offer the support. We make sure that we've got the guys from the parts, we've got the guys from the technical side, we've got technicians that are available to work with the clients and to work with the machinery. So, the backup is there. The customer satisfaction is of such a sort that you want the happy clients, you want the assistance immediately. And that's where we come in and we make sure that we keep those dealers happy, and we make sure that we offer them the training, we offer them the backup that they need to make sure to keep our clients happy.
There's a big drive from Jupidex side to really improve the farming practices from our small and emerging markets all the way up to our commercial setups with precision farming technology. We have great products, very efficient and effective products in our range. So that's a big drive from our side. What we also focus on is looking outside of the borders of South Africa. The Zero Hunger Initiative by 2030 for Africa. There's great opportunity for us there, enriching and empowering the continent with Africa producing its own food. And we really want to be part of that spearheading process.
To use this partnership that we have had for 25 years, build it up, establish very well here, up running, and to use that fundament and basis to now enter into rest of Africa. And that is where we are busy now to make a good plan. And we will start, let's say, for the southern, eastern Africa as the focus in the beginning, and then the rest of Africa. We're just developing this now for the African farmer, because that will fit on a standard African tractor, where they call it African-sized tractors, 75 horsepower, simple tractor, and that can handle this ripper. And Africa needs to be ripped. There's a lot of potential to increase the food production in Africa by ripping the soil to get away the plow pan, to get the water in, to get the air in, to get the sun in. And that is the key for our development now into Africa.
I think one of our proudest moments this year was to launch the Jupidex financial services. By rolling that out to our customer base, we can basically make sure that customers who are in the market for products but maybe cannot buy new ones, we can tailor make a solution for them and make sure that we can put them into new technology for them to operate efficiently and ultimately becoming more profitable. And I think this is our biggest drive behind this whole thing, and we really want to make sure that our customers are very profitable. I think when we look at the future, I'm definitely confident that collective efforts will continue to propel Jupidex into new heights. We will tackle the opportunities and tackle the challenges head on. And I believe it's going to be with the same passion in it that we've seen in the last couple of years. So looking ahead to a very prosperous year, especially this year, going forward and also into the future. And I want to thank everyone for that. We firmly believe that a strong company culture is crucial for our success. So we will obviously continue to invest in our leadership and also invest in our people to ensure that they have a solid understanding of what they do in the field and how they sell our products and how they service our products, but also to create the customer satisfaction that we desire for.
I don't speak for myself, but for the whole Jupidex team when I say thank you very much to all of the customers, the dealers, the farmers, the partners, everyone involved within the community to get us where we are today. Obviously, without them, we would be nothing.
I want to extend my gratitude to all our employees and also all the dealers and customers that stood by our company, that believed in our products, that believed in our company itself and invested in our company. And I want to say thank you. Your dedication and your commitment is something that we see and that we appreciate every single day.
For 25 years, I think it's a great milestone, but I think we want to go for another 25 years. So I hope everyone will be with us and grow with us and stay with us and make sure that we continue to feed Africa as we believe that our vision is able to do.